I stayed in what I thought was the perfect room on the Discovery Princess, and I ended up in my bathrobe wandering the ship at 2 a.m. Let me give you a tour of the room, and then I'll tell you exactly what happened.
For over 3 decades, I've been painting ocean scenes for my collectors worldwide, and now I spend a lot of time chasing them from a deck of a cruise ship.
So, I love the Discovery Princess. And you guys know when you go to the sanctuary, and one deck below the sanctuary is the adult pool, and then you sit at the adult pool and you see all those rooms behind the glass walls, because instead of regular walls, they put glass walls there. And so I thought, oh, this would be so great if I would get a room there, and then I get out of the door and I'm right at the pool. That would be amazing, right? So that's what I did. For my next cruise, I booked one of those rooms. This is the beautiful room 220 on the sun deck, deck 17. I absolutely love the design of the room, and the beds are amazing. I still believe Princess Cruises just has the best beds at sea. And then my favorite part is absolutely the balcony. It has glass panels, so you can actually see right through to the water, and it makes sitting out here so much more relaxing. And then we got the closet space, which is surprisingly roomy. Just love the princess layout. Then you have a little bit more shelving and a safe. And then there's the bathroom. Pretty standard for a cruise cabin and functional. And unfortunately has the shower curtain. I'd love a shower door, but it has the shower curtain. But yeah, that's it. Now back to my crazy story. And so I'm all happy, and I'm in my room, back on the cruise. I'm back on the Discovery Princess. I'm in my room, and it's the morning, and I ordered my coffee in my room, and I'm sitting there and I'm sipping my coffee, and all of a sudden I hear this loud noise. It's like somebody dragging something, right? Like somebody dragging something over the floor right above me. What is that? And I'm thinking, oh my goodness, I didn't realize I'm right below the lounge deck. So I was so concentrated on being next to the pool that I forgot above the adult pool, the next deck, it's all lounge chairs. So people are all day long rearranging their lounge chairs and back and forth, and it's super loud in my room. And I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe that I didn't think of this. So yeah, I learned my lesson. Okay, it got worse. It got worse. So I am asleep, and it's 2 o'clock in the morning. And I gotta toot my own horn real quick. I have new tumblers with my art on them. You guys know I'm an artist, so I put my oil paintings on different items. So I have new tumblers. I have around, I think 16 or 17 new designs. And to match the tumblers, I have blouses now. I have ladies' blouses. So I think I have only 5 so far. So I'm in the middle of designing new blouses. So check in every once in a while. The website, Jenny Simon, JSFA Jenny Simon, and check out the new designs that are coming in. And yeah, this one is my palm tree design. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks. And I hear this loud banging noise, like loud, like, you know, when you take a hammer and you bang it against metal, like that kind of sound. And it's really loud. And I'm like, what's going on? Is something wrong with the ship? What's the, and I'm just waking up like, what's going on? What, you know, it's loud. So I can't take it anymore. So I'm putting on my bathrobe and I got my medallion in my hand. And I'm like sleep drunk, you know, halfway asleep, thinking I gotta find out what this is. What's going on? Is the ship going down? What's happening? So I'm going out of my door and going out to the adult pool. And I'm looking up and there's somebody there right above my room. And I'm like, what's going on? What is this guy doing up there, right? So it's like dark, the wind is blowing, my hair is blowing. I'm like, what the heck? I want to be in bed. So I'm walking up the stairs and I look at him, got a giant squeegee, one of those giant ones that you clean large floors with. And he's scrubbing the floor with it. And every time he gets to the side of the ship where the railing is, he bumps that thing into the railing. And it's like, there's some metal on the squeegee, so that thing bumps into the railing. Okay, I don't know what the problem is. I don't think I will be staying on this floor again to calm down and go back downstairs. And I think I'm just going to go back to sleep, and I'm just going to, you know, realize that I made a mistake booking this room. I'm stepping up to my door, and you guys know how we have your medallion and the door opens up right when you walk to your door. Well, my door doesn't open up when I walk to my door, and I'm holding the medallion up now. I'm against the door, the little monitor there, you know. And I'm realizing right then and there at 2 a.m. in the morning, the battery of my medallion ran out. What is the chance that at 2 a.m. when I'm trying to get back into my room, the medallion is dead? So I'm now walking down the corridor trying to find one of these phones. So I'm calling down customer service desk, the lobby, right? And I'm like, can somebody please come upstairs and let me back into my room because I'm locked out?
Thanks for watching. I am Jenny Simon, artist and ocean lover. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and hit subscribe so you won't miss what's coming next. Thank you.